Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the last couple of days of winter, and it's going to just hold on and keep us colder than average. Look at this, 40 in Terre Haute. Not a bad day by any means, but it's been cloudy. It's been kind of dreary. I know some of you out there like these days. Personally, I like a little more sunshine than what is being thrown at us today. We'll get into a little more sunshine the rest of the week, but it's going to be tough to warm up. These numbers are going to be somewhat warm compared to midweek. All right. These numbers here are your wind speeds. Coming out of the west, got a pretty strong and brisk wind out there, 10 to 20 miles per hour. These are sustained winds. You're going to get wind gusts a little bit higher than these numbers, but overall, this is what it feels like outside. We're going to drop these down into the teens tonight, upper teens along I-70 and northward, just a touch warmer to the south, but still cold, lower 20s for wind chills. Again, down around Vincennes at 35 right now. Here's been the big system. Severe weather throughout Tennessee and eastern Kentucky. Here locally, it's been pretty quiet. We had the rain move through last night, stayed really out of any thunderstorm category that was widespread. We stayed out of any real slick spot kind of activity. While we did have that wintry mix, we had some sleet mixing in with us late last night. Clouds and mist are what's left behind right now. Extreme western tip of Illinois getting into a little sunshine. Missouri seeing some sunshine now. Going to be tough for us to get into that sun tonight, but tomorrow we'll get into a little bit more. Let's run this now hour by hour into the future here. Futurecast giving us 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Partly cloudy skies moving in, but remember a cold west wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Actual temperatures in the mid-20s, so 24s, 5s, and 6s. Is going to feel like 17s, 18s, and 19s. It's going to be cold to start the day tomorrow. Overall, there's still quite a bit of moisture in the ground, and so with that, we're going to keep some clouds around in some fashion the next several days. So I'll go ahead and put a partly cloudy graphic in there. Winds out of the west, and even with a little bit of sunshine, it's going to be tough to heat up because winds, the colder air, really driving what the temperatures do now. Lower 40s. This is tomorrow afternoon. Best we'll do is get up to 42 degrees, 43s and such tomorrow. A little bit of something out west, though. We're going to keep our eyes on that, but we'll tackle that here in just about 20 seconds. We'll get into Wednesday morning, and it's pretty quiet. Still partly cloudy, mid-20s. Winds out of the west. You see no real changes here. Nothing drastic temperature-wise. It doesn't heat up, doesn't cool off. Really kind of stays about the same. But now that we get into the afternoon on Wednesday, our southern counties, watch this, south of I-70, going to have a chance for some very light snow to roll through here. Everybody else, partly cloudy skies. It's going to be one of those days where if this tracks a little farther to the north, we'll change the forecast for you. But otherwise, looks like it stays to our south right now and a little bit of light snow in our southern counties come Wednesday. First day of spring, not going to look or feel like it. So 25 tonight, partly cloudy and cold with that cold west wind. Chilly west wind continues tomorrow, high of only 42. We'll do 25 tomorrow night, your 7-day forecast. There you go, average high is 55. You don't see those numbers in here at all. 35 come Thursday, 41 come Friday. It will be cold and